Alright, Jennifer, here's your 1/64 scale JADA Hero Patrol Ford Crown Vic. Another black and white, because you like the black and white cars. This is a, what is it? Is this a Minneapolis? What is this one? I don't remember. Minneapolis or Oklahoma City? Minneapolis, okay. I couldn't remember. I know both of them have kind of the same door badge. This one here, I didn't know if I could do anything with or not, so you went ahead and sent it with your Tahoe. Added a couple of antennas for you on this one too. This one also has the red, white, and blue, or red, clear, and blue, technically, light bars. So went in and added LEDs to each of those. Flashing headlights and flashing tail lights. Not a whole lot of room in there to add the larger battery and LEDs, wiring, and everything. Actually, like I said, I didn't even know if it would even work to put all that in there, but it did. So we lucked out. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Again, if I didn't mention 1/64 scale. Little button right here in the back. Need to add a little paint around that to kind of make it look a little nicer there. It kind of takes the black paint off when you do that. Drill that hole out, so I should have fixed that. But anyway, flashing headlights. Again, you can see your red, clear, and blue strobes in the light bar. And we'll turn this around here, and you also have flashing tail lights. So, didn't get too crazy with this one. Anyway, just added extra light in the light bar for you. So turned out pretty cool. Like I said, now I know I can do those if I want to do another one. We'll leave it at that. So we'll get settled up on this one. Tahoe you already paid for. Get settled up on this one, and we'll go from there. So thanks again for the orders. I appreciate it.